Is a vegan diet really bad for protein? So wants to find out. So he writes a narrative review. The narrative review is written from a biased angle in which vegan diets have very low protein, or if they have enough protein, the protein is not accessible to the human body, and therefore it makes problems. We know that the protein in an animal comes from plants. Animals can't make their own protein. So what's being consumed in an animal came from a plant. Now, is it true that plant-based proteins are less accessible because of the matrix they're in? To an extent, that's true, but a person can compensate by having more richer sources and varieties of proteins. But there is no such thing as an essential protein now, or a complete protein source, because you can get that from a plant also. It's hard to say what this author has in mind when they make this kind of a publication, or how it got through a peer review. It's just a narrative review, so there's no actual data or science in it. It's just their opinion, which is fine. But it supports a false narrative that people are protein deficient and they need more protein. The only source of protein is a complete protein which comes from an animal source. People have been living vegan for many, many millennia before all this became a hype.